How to manage page roles and access in Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can manage page roles and access in Meta Business Suite. Managing page roles and access in Meta Business Suite is crucial for effective collaboration and streamlined operations. And now there is how to go about it. Move to the left side of the screen. On the left side of the screen, you will see a menu, right, or a sidebar. Then scroll down to the bottom part and click on the settings option. After clicking on the settings option, ensure that you are on the purpose page. Here you can now see the number of members that you have on your page. So to manage the roles, all you need to do is to click on the person whose role you would like to adjust or to manage and to grant access to. So after clicking on the person, so this is not the person I would like to select. Alright, so after clicking on the person, I are brought to the person's page. You can see that the person is currently not an admin, and the invitation has been sent, so he or she has not accepted it. So I cannot access or manage a role for this person. But ensure you select a member that has accepted the request. So once the person has accepted the request, next thing to do is to click on the person's name, and then once details about the person's name has been displayed, go ahead and click on manage. Then after clicking on manage, you can see the write-up. It says manage assignments for such a person. And here you can now decide the kind of assignments that you'd like to give the person. Is it only partial access or full access? Or do you want the person to be able to have controls over apps and integrations? You'll be the one to decide here. So if you want the person to be able to control apps and integrations, just go ahead and tap on this toggle. And then once it comes on, he or she would have access to apps and integration. Then if you want the person not to have full control, tap on this toggle and he or she will no longer have full control. But if you want the person to have full control, tap on the toggle again and then he or she will have control. Partial access is basic. Everyone must have this, so you cannot do anything to that. So click on save and then keep on doing this for as many members as you want. So, and if you want to assign role to a new person, at least to a new member, just move to the top right corner, click on invite people, and then a box will be displayed. In this box, entering the email address of the person that you would like to invite. And after entering in the email address, for example, favor313@gmail.com. And then, for example, after entering the email and you click on next, you'll be taken to the assign access page. Now on this page, you can now decide to assign access and page management from the beginning to the person. So you can just check this out and check out the kind of roles you want to give the person, then assign business access to the person, review your invitation, and then send the invitation. So this here is the page where you can assign roles to users. Thanks for watching and have a good day.